our channel. My name is Bibi. My name is Abby. We're going to do Never Have I Ever challenge. Let's start.
And okay, the first question is, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. And what is it that we're gonna play again?
Never have I ever.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the question. I'm the mom behind the cameras, and then you're gonna answer with the signs. Show me. Okay. Okay, I have and never. Okay, so let's see. Let me start. Okay. And you gotta tell the truth. Okay.
Okay, I'm actually
Okay.
telling the truth. It's action.
Never have I ever ate dessert for breakfast. Oh my God! You're such a bad kid.
I'm so hungry. I eat dessert. I have in the morning because I can't make food and I have to do it. I eat ice cream. And I eat some ice cream.
Okay, so ice cream.
Popsicles.
Never have I ever hide something from my brothers. You have.
I hide Louis his basketball under his bed. And I left it. And I hide it. Basketball. And I hide it his shoes.
So you know that he's gonna know now because
No.
gonna be on YouTube. You're gonna be in
Don't
trouble.
tell him.
Well, he's gonna know.
Okay.
Okay, because he follows you. Okay. Never have I ever went to school without brushing my teeth.
I have.
Okay.
I never have.
I knew it, Abby. You're a good girl.
I have.
You have?
Because last time I did it, and now you brought me to the dentist. And took
Yeah.
out these teeth.
Yeah, you see, that's why. You gotta take care of your teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next. Never have I ever crashed a car.
I'm too young. I haven't.
Actually, you have, baby, with a bike.
Oh
You
yeah.
crashed Luis's car with a bike.
Oh,
I remember
and I crashed in a car. Remember? Like, mommy, remember that I crashed in a car and I had a scar right here. I had a scar. I have, but like not in. Guys, this is a door.
Okay, next question.
Okay.
Okay. Never have I ever kissed a girl or a boy. Never. Oh, you have
But in the cheek. In the cheek.
Explain that.
Ew. My girlfriend.
So you have a girlfriend, baby?
Her name is Maria.
Video. This is another
God.
whole video.
Guys, comment down below if you like this video and subscribe, please. And
Yes,
give us a big fat thumbs up.
Yes, but we're not done yet. I got more, guys.
Yeah.
Never have I ever fart in class. Oh my God. Did somebody notice that?
No one.
No.
Mine was little. I thought so. I heard like poop fart.
Oh my
And I
God.
said, that was me.
Okay, next question. Never have I ever run naked.
I have not.
Never. I know. You do, huh? All the time.
I did it.
You do it all the time. Oh my God. Okay, this is a good one.
Oh no.
This is a good one. Never have I ever pooped in my pants.
Oh my God! When he was a baby.
Oh, when he was
When I was a baby,
no.
I pooped in my pants.
Oh my God.
I have not. She had it when she
Okay.
was a baby. But I was 0.
Never have I ever
Doesn't count.
lied to my parents.
Oh no! Never.
Never.
No, I never.
Not even a teeny tiny lie.
No.
What about you? You have, baby?
To
Can you
Bobby?
tell?
To Bobby?
to Lewis.
That's not your parents.
I know, Papi. What?
Okay.
About what? I told him that someone was sitting next to me like Angelina lied. I lied on him.
She did not lie.
Now,
I did lie.
I never lied to my
now
parents.
he knows.
I never lied to
You're
my
in
parents.
trouble.
I never lied to my parents. If I lied to them and they already noticed, they'll hit me.
Dad, please don't hit me.
Okay, so this is it. I have no more questions, so say bye-bye to your fans.